Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to export reports in the Water Network module of ESurvey Water. In Plan 3D tab, all the alignments are created in 3D and all the pipes are created as 3D polymesh. You can have a 3D view of the entire project. You can also export this 3D drawing and use it for further purposes including BIM. You can get reports for stakeout points, bends, valves, crossings and reducers. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will learn how to export plan and profile drawings.